Hi there, I have run the app. It is a financial tracker app written in Django, HTML, and CSS and JavaScript. It is complex and distinct from other projects because it has user authentication, it has transaction CRUD, I can add the transaction here and also edit the transactions. For example, I can set the month to 7 and save it. Also, I can delete the transactions, and it has visualizations like the pie charts shown here with different categories of transactions, and also the bar graph for the transactions in different categories and groups. It shows insights and different details about the transactions. It also has the populate data for automatically creating data and creating a test user. And it shows different insights within different time views, like monthly view that shows the current month, 8th month, and the yearly view that can show other months as well, like the 6th month and 7th month. For the second part, we have the user and transactions model along the file model. For the third part, this project has the responsiveness. Here we can see that the table stretches when the screen is small or bigger. And for the fourth part, we have the README file that I have explained the project, why and what is the project, and also about the data entry, the distinctiveness and complexity, and different files in the project. For the fifth part, we have the run. I have all the commands here that are required to install the requirements, like the Google Charts that I've used here, and how to run the application. For the sixth part of the project, I have summarized the README file as I could. And for the seventh part, it is the feel of the project and the design, which is nice. Thank you very much.